Hello students, today we will discuss chemistry pre-board question paper, class 12 CBSE board. So, in case of dissociation, abnormal molar mass of solute will, जब भी dissociation होगा तो molar mass decrease होगा और association में increase होता है. So right answer is this. Now next question, the diamagnetic species is, इनमें से diamagnetic species बतानी है हमें. So we will write the central metal atom along with its oxidation state. So here cobalt is in +3 state and iron in +3 state, nickel in both these +2 state, and its configuration is 3d6, 3d5, 3d8, 3d8. Now here the fluoride and chloride ligands, these are ligands, they are weak field ligands, so the configuration will remain as such. So here we will have 4 unpaired electrons and here 2 unpaired electrons, and in this case this cyanide is a strong field ligand, so there will be pairing up of the unpaired electrons if they are. So this will have, because it has 5, these are 5 unpaired electrons, so because of cyanide there will be only 1 unpaired electron, and the configuration of this is octahedral complex and its configuration will be D2sp3. So this is also not diamagnetic, and here this will have 0 unpaired electrons because this cyanide is a strong field ligand, and you see this diagram, these are 3d orbitals, so 8 electrons are there here. So 8 electrons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now because of cyanide this electron moves to this orbital and we will have this configuration. This is vacant. So all electrons are paired and therefore it is diamagnetic, and the configuration is dsp2. It is a square planar complex, and this one is tetrahedral. This is tetrahedral, this is square planar. So right answer is this D. Next question is, in alkaline medium KMnO4 oxidizes. KMnO4 alkaline medium में oxidize कर देता है iodide ion को in the iodate. So this is the, you will write this equation. This is permanganate ion and iodide ion, and it is converted into iodide ion. Iodide ion -1 oxidation state, this is +5 oxidation state. Next question is, which of the following is chiral in nature? So we will draw the structure of all these, and this is the structures. This is 3-chlorobutane and 2,3-dimethylbutane, and this is 3-bromopentane. So these are not chiral. These are not chiral, only this is chiral. So answer is only first. So this is the right answer. Only first, B part is. Next is alpha helix structure. This is the structure of alpha helix is not in nucleoside. Nucleoside is a simple is a unit. It has sugar base. It has sugar and bonded with a nitrogenous base. That is nucleoside. Starch and cellulose are not found in alpha helix. So polypeptide proteins are found. So the right answer is B, polypeptides. Next question is, electricity required for the reduction of 0.1 mole of Cr2O7 2 Cr3 plus. So for this you will write the equation. This is the equation, and since we have here 2 chromium atoms, so 2 chromium on this side also. Now oxygen state is +6 and here +3, so there is a change of +3. Oxygen state is decreasing it by +3 units per atom. So if there are 2 atoms, so we need to add 6 electrons in this, 6 electrons. So means 6 electrons means 6 Faraday. This is for 1 mole of Cr2O72 minus. This is 1 mole and we need 6 Faraday. So if it is 0.1 mole, then we will have 0.6 Faraday. So this will be equal to 0.6 Faraday will be equal to how many electrons? 1 Faraday equal to 96,500, and if you multiply this you will get the answer 57900 Coulomb. So the right answer is this B part is the right answer. So now we are taking the next question. Now for this chemical reaction, question number 7, the chemical reaction A to B. Rate constant is this 1.5 10 to the power minus 2 mole per liter per second. What is the order of reaction? In this question you have to see the units, not this value. The units are important. From the units we have to tell this. So this is a zero order reaction. This is the right answer. For zero order reactions, the units of rate constant are mole per liter per second, and for first order the units are per second. So here this unit is given, so this is the right answer. How many ions are produced from this complex? This is a complex, and from this we will get 2 ions. One is this ion and another is chloride ion. This is complex ion and this is anion. So we will get 2 ions. So this is the right answer. Now consider next question. Consider the reaction and identify B and C. So students, this is a nitro compound and tin in presence of hydrochloric acid. This is reduction process. So after reduction it will convert into NH2. So this is amine. Now amine is treated with chloroform in presence of potassium hydroxide with heat. So amines are primary amines are treated with this reagent. They will convert into isocyanide. So B will be an isocyanide or carbylamine. They have very foul smell. This is a test also for the primary amines. Now see, this is it will have 2 carbon atoms. So carbylamine is this. So this or this are the answers. Now let us see what is C. Now when A is treated with sodium nitrite in presence of HCl, so this is HNO2 nitrous acid and at low temperature. So because this is an aliphatic amine, so it diazonium salt will not be stable, so it will convert into alcohol of 2 carbon atoms, so ethyl alcohol. So this B is the right answer. B is this carbylamine and this is ethyl alcohol. So B is the right answer. Next question. All natural and artificial radioactive decay of unstable nuclei take place by radioactive decay artificial होंगे जो they occur by first order kinetics. So this is the right answer. Now in aniline, the NH2 group is attached to carbon atom. Aniline structure you should know. This is aniline and this is aniline, students. And all carbon atoms of benzene ring are sp2 hybridized. So the right answer to this question is A. This is the right answer. Next is question number, students. Next question is first order reaction has a rate constant of this. Now see, this is first order reaction. Already it has been done. Its units are per second. Half-life. So there is a relation between rate constant and half-life of the reaction. That reaction so that reaction, the formula is T half is 0.693 divided by rate constant K. So this comes out, we will substitute the values as such, and by simplifying this we will get the 300 seconds. So right answer is C. Now next we have questions assertion and reasoning types. So you will study all these, both assertion and reason are given, and now we take up the next question. Assertion: catalyst increases the rate constant of a chemical reaction. Yes, rate of reaction increases, rate constant will increase. This is right statement. Catalyst decreases the activation energy. Yes, this is also right statement. And this is the correct explanation. So its answer is A. Its answer is A. 13th answer A. Next question. Helium is used to dilute oxygen in diving apparatus. जो स्कूबा डाइवर्स होते हैं गोइंग डीप इनसाइड द सी, उनके लिए ये यूज़ होता है. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. Reason: helium is chemically inert gas. Yes, this is right. So this answer is also A. Now, if it has been given in place of reason that helium has very poor solubility in water or poor solubility in blood, that would also have been a right explanation for this. In that case also, the answer would have been A. Now, 15. So primary amine can be prepared by Gabriel thalamide synthesis. Yes, this is correct statement. This statement is correct. And aniline can be prepared by Gabriel thalamide synthesis. No, aniline cannot be prepared. We cannot prepare aniline. So this reason is false. So this is C answer is there. Now next question is in a mercury cell, the cell potential remains constant during its life. Yes, this is correct statement. Overall mercury cell reaction does not involve any ion. Yes, this is correct statement, because if we check we see this is the reaction taking place in the mercury cell. Zinc and mercury, mercuric oxide converting to zinc oxide and mercury. So no ions are involved, and therefore the cell potential remains constant during its life. Now next question, students, is attempt E